Hi, I'm so happy to see you. And today I'll be recommending some of my favorite Korean skincare for glowing skin this festive season, and these are pretty awesome. I love to play with makeup during festivities, and to remove the makeup is equally important for me. And this cleansing balm from Jwon is awesome. It melts my makeup so easily. It also feels so gentle on the skin, doesn't sting my eyes, emulsifies well. This is a fragrance-free formulation, doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and the packaging is quite travel friendly. One thing, Cordada cleanser is one of my top cleansers out there. This is gentle, effective, soothing. It has gel to foam formulation. It doesn't dry out my skin. It gives a good glow, which I really like. I reckon it can work for all skin types. It can be very good everyday go-to cleanser. Cleansing routine is very important in my skincare routine because this is the base and the base needs to be right. And this one from Manyo, their herbal pill, is a gem that I have found. It has to be my top finds for this year. It gives me this very good glow. It exfoliates gently. I have tried many peeling gels before, but this one is the best. I think it has peppermint little bit of that, so if your skin is allergic to it, then skip it, but it didn't give me any reaction. I use this once or twice in a week. I apply this on clean skin and I keep this on for 5 minutes, then I gently massage, then I rinse it off. I think it's a good festive pick for smooth, glowing, healthy skin. Never underestimate hydration when it comes to skincare, and this Cosrx Peptide skin booster is so good. This is lightweight yet hydrating, and it can be used every day. Also can be really good for skin prepping, for makeup, and there are people who don't like heavy formulations or sticky formulations. For them this one is gonna be great. It can work as both toner and essence, and it does a pretty job for giving you healthy glowing skin. And this one from Wish Trend, it took me some time to fall in love with this, but this is so good for soothing your skin. If you think your skin is getting irritated, you need to calm it down. And I have noticed during like festivities my skin sometimes freak out. This one can be a great pick. It gives glow, it hydrates, soothes the skin with Cordada extract and propolis extract. I also have noticed it regulates sebum as well. This Ongredients calming lotion can be used alone, also can be used as a great makeup base. This is for someone who is looking for a lightweight formulation but that is hydrating and calming. This is expensive, but you're gonna get good quantity. It's gonna last you for a long time. But if you want more affordable lotion, then you can try Tree green tea lotion or their aloe lotion. Okay, so this one is not for beginners. If you have used chemical pills, then only use this. It's a pretty strong formulation. It has AHA, BHA, PHA, LHA. It also has vitamin B12 that is lending this one this pink color. It is great for working on textures, dull skin. I use this once in a week. Apply this on dry skin, then keep this on for 5 minutes to 10 minutes and rinse it off. This is my weekly facial, and I won't be recommending this to teenagers. And wear sunscreen properly when you're gonna be using any chemical pills, because these things can make your skin extra photosensitive, chemical exfoliants. So yeah, here you have it. Thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.